Welcome to Better English Pronunciation.
Are you hungry yet, Chloe?
Yes, I am very hungry.
What should we make tonight?
Maybe something Italian?
Do you like pasta?
I love it so much.
Which shape do you want?
Let's get the long spaghetti.
Is this box okay?
Yes, that looks perfect.
Do we need red sauce?
Well, maybe some fresh tomatoes.
Should we buy some garlic?
Yes, garlic makes it better.
How about some onions, too?
Actually, let's skip the onions.
Is that all we need?
We need some olive oil.
Can you find the oil?
It is on the top shelf.
Wait, do you like cheese?
I really love Parmesan cheese.
Should we get the block?
Yes, the block is fresher.
Is it very expensive?
It is a little pricey.
Well, it is worth it.
I agree, let's buy it.
Do we need bread, too?
Maybe a small baguette?
The bread is over there.
It smells so good, Sam.
Is it still warm?
Yes, it feels very soft.
Are we ready to pay?
I think we have everything.
Where is the checkout line?
It is near the door.
Is the line long?
No, it is quite short.
Do you have your bag?
Yes, it is right here.
Can you carry the pasta?
Sure, I can take it.
Is the bag heavy?
No, it is very light.
Are you excited to cook?
I can't wait to eat.
Will it take a long time?
No, only 20 minutes.
Is your kitchen clean?
Mostly, well, maybe not.
Should we clean it first?
Yes, let's do that quickly.
I can help you, Chloe.
Thank you, you are kind.
Are you ready to go?
Let's go home and cook.
Pasta time?
Yes, definitely pasta time.
How do we start, Sam?
First, we chop the garlic.
Is this knife too sharp?
Please be very careful, Chloe.
Should I cut them small?
Yes, very tiny pieces, please.
Is the oil hot enough?
Wait, let it heat up.
Can I add the garlic?
Yes, put it in now.
It smells amazing already.
I know, garlic is magic.
Now the tomatoes?
Yes, pour them in slowly.
Should I use a spoon?
Use the big wooden spoon.
Is the heat too high?
Turn it down a little.
Should we add some salt?
Just a pinch for now.
What about some pepper?
Yes, a little pepper too.
Do you have fresh basil?
Actually, it is in the fridge.
Can I wash the leaves?
Yes, use cold water, please.
Should I tear the leaves?
Yes, tear them by hand.
Does it need more sugar?
No, tomatoes are sweet enough.
Is the sauce thick now?
It needs 5 more minutes.
Should I cover the pot?
No, keep the lid off.
Why keep it off?
Well, it helps the flavor.
Can I taste it now?
Sure, tell me your thoughts.
It is very delicious.
Is it better than store-bought?
Oh, much better, Sam.
I am glad you like it.
Should we boil the water?
Yes, fill the big pot.
How much water is needed?
Fill it halfway to the top.
Should I add salt now?
Yes, salt the water well.
Is it boiling yet?
Almost. Look at the bubbles.
Can I drop the pasta?
Go ahead, do it now.
Don't break the noodles.
I won't, I promise.
How long for the pasta?
About 8 to 10 minutes.
Do you like it soft?
No, I like it firm.
The timer is going off.
Great, let's drain the water.
This looks so beautiful, Sam.
Thank you. I tried hard.
Is the pasta ready?
Yes, please take a seat.
Should I pour the water?
Yes, thank you, Chloe.
The sauce looks very red.
It is very fresh tomato.
Is it very spicy?
No, just a little bit.
I like a little spice.
Me too, it adds flavor.
Do you want some cheese?
Yes, please pass the bowl.
Is this enough for you?
That is perfect, thank you.
How is the first bite?
Wow, this is amazing.
Is it cooked enough?
Yes, it is perfectly firm.
I love this Italian food.
It is my favorite meal.
Why do you like pasta?
Well, it is very comforting.
Does it remind you of home?
Actually, it reminds me of Italy.
Have you been to Italy?
Yes, I went last year.
Was the food good there?
It was the best ever.
Did you eat pasta daily?
I ate it every day.
Was it very expensive there?
No, it was quite cheap.
I want to go someday.
You would really love it.
Can we go together?
That would be so fun.
Is there more pasta, Sam?
Yes, there is plenty more.
I am getting very full.
Take your time, no rush.
The bread is very crunchy.
Try it with the sauce.
Oh, that is a great idea.
It is the best part.
Do you want some more?
No thanks, I am finished.
Was it a good dinner?
It was a perfect dinner.
I am so happy now.
Me too, I feel great.
Should we have dessert?
Maybe just a little fruit?
I have some sweet grapes.
That sounds very nice, Chloe.
I will get them now.
I will help you. Wait.
Is this a secret recipe?
Well, it is from Grandma.
Can I see the book?
Sure, but be very careful.
The paper looks very old.
It is 50 years old.
Did she write this herself?
Yes, that is her handwriting.
Is the sauce her secret?
Yes, and one special herb.
Can you tell me which?
It is dried oregano.
Just oregano? That is all?
Well, and a lot of love.
That is very sweet, Sam.
She cooked every single Sunday.
Did the whole family come?
Yes, 20 people every week.
Was it very loud there?
It was very, very loud.
Do you miss those days?
I do. They were fun.
Is that why you cook?
Yes, it makes me happy.
Can I learn more recipes?
I can teach you everything.
Will it take a long time?
No, we can practice often.
What is next on the list?
Maybe we make lasagna next?
Is lasagna hard to make?
It takes many, many layers.
Do we need more cheese?
We need 3 different types:
Which types do we need?
ricotta, mozzarella, and parmesan.
That sounds very heavy, Sam.
But it tastes so good.
Should we make it tomorrow?
Let's wait until the weekend.
Why wait until then?
It takes a long time.
Okay, the weekend is fine.
We can invite some friends.
Who should we invite?
Maybe Ben and Sarah?
They love your cooking too.
Everyone loves free Italian food.
I can make the salad.
That would be very helpful.
Do you like balsamic vinegar?
Yes, it is very tasty.
I have a good bottle.
Great, bring it on Saturday.
I will put it down.
Put what down, Chloe?
I will write the date.
Perfect, it is a plan.
Is this the famous cafe?
Yes, they have great pasta.
Should we sit outside?
Yes, the weather is nice.
Is it too cold now?
No, the sun is out.
What are you getting, Sam?
I want the pesto pasta.
Is pesto made with basil?
Yes, and many pine nuts.
I think I want ravioli.
The ravioli here is famous.
What is inside the ravioli?
Usually cheese or spinach, Chloe.
Spinach sounds very healthy.
It is, and very light.
Do they give big portions?
Yes, you will be full.
Look at that waiter.
He is carrying 5 plates.
How does he do that?
He has a lot of practice.
Should we order some wine?
Maybe just a small glass?
I prefer sparkling water, actually.
That is a good choice.
Can we get some lemon?
Yes, lemon makes it fresh.
Is the menu in English?
Yes, and in Italian too.
What does primi mean?
It means the first course.
Do we eat pasta first?
Yes, in Italy we do.
What comes after the pasta?
Usually meat or some fish.
I can only eat pasta.
Me too. It is enough.
Is the waiter coming now?
Yes, he is right here.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am ready, Sam.
I will have the pesto.
And I want the ravioli.
Would you like some bread?
Yes, please bring some bread.
The bread is free here.
Oh, I love free bread.
Don't eat too much bread.
I know. Save room, Chloe.
Room for the pasta, right?
Exactly. The main event.
I am so hungry now.
It will be here soon.
Look, it is coming out.
It looks so hot, Sam.
Enjoy your meal, Chloe.
You too. Let's eat now.
Where was this photo taken?
That was in Rome, Italy.
Was it very hot there?
Yes, the sun was bright.
Did you see the Colosseum?
Yes, it was very big.
Did you eat pasta there?
I ate carbonara every night.
What is in carbonara, Sam?
Eggs, cheese, and black pepper.
Is there any cream in it?
No, never use any cream.
Why not use any cream?
It is not the tradition.
Is the egg cooked fully?
No, it stays very creamy.
Does it have any meat?
Yes, a very salty pork.
That sounds very rich, Sam.
It is a heavy meal.
Was the water free there?
Yes, from the street fountains.
Could you drink that water?
Yes, it is very cold.
Did you learn Italian there?
Just a few simple words.
Can you say one now?
Ciao means hello and goodbye.
That is a fun word, Sam.
I also learned grazie, Chloe.
Does that mean thank you?
Yes, I said it often.
Was the coffee very good?
The espresso was very strong.
Did you drink it fast?
Yes, standing at the bar.
Why stand at the bar?
It is cheaper that way.
Italians have many cool rules.
They really love their food.
Did you buy a souvenir?
I bought this small apron.
It has pasta shapes on it.
Yes, do you like it?
It is very cute, Sam.
I use it when cooking.
Is that your suitcase there?
Yes, I am going back.
Wait, are you leaving soon?
Just for a short trip.
Can I come with you?
Maybe next time, Chloe.
I need to save money.
Start saving your dollars now.
I will buy my ticket.
We can eat pasta together.
In a real Italian plaza?
Yes, under the warm sun.
Is everyone coming today, Sam?
Yes, 10 friends are coming.
Is the pasta ball ready?
It is very, very heavy.
Should I help you carry it?
No, I have it, thanks.
Did you make extra sauce?
Yes, a whole extra pot.
Where should I put plates?
Put them on the table.
Is the table clean enough?
Yes, I wiped it earlier.
Do we have enough forks?
I think so. Check the drawer.
Should we put on music?
Yes, play something happy, Chloe.
Is Italian music okay?
That is a great idea.
I hear the doorbell ringing.
Oh, the first guests are here.
Is that Ben and Sarah?
Yes, they are waving now.
Should I say hello first?
Yes, go ahead, I am busy.
Do they like Italian food?
Everyone loves my special pasta.
Did you add the cheese?
Not yet, do it now.
Is the ball too hot?
Well, use the thick towel.
The pasta smells so good.
It is the fresh basil.
Is the salad ready too?
Yes, it is in the fridge.
Should I get the drinks?
Yes, the lemonade is cold.
Is there enough for everyone?
We have plenty of food.
What if more people come?
Then I will cook more.
You are a fast cook.
I have a lot of practice.
Can I try a noodle?
Wait for the guests, Chloe. Just one little tiny bite? Okay, but just one, okay?
It is so perfect.
I'm glad you like it.
Are you a master chef?
No, I just love pasta.
Pasta is the best food.
It makes people very happy.
Should we start the party?
Yes, let's open the door.
Welcome to our pasta party.
Come in and eat, everyone.
Are you ready to eat?
Yes, I am starving now.